Generate free AI art to monetize. Generating over $300 a day from just one account, it's clear that there's significant earning potential in the world of AI art. Welcome everyone! Today, I'm thrilled to share how you can create free AI art to generate income online. It's true! With AI generators, you can produce stunning artwork effortlessly by entering a few words. No need to be an artist, and you can say goodbye to expensive artist commissions. Just type in some words, and the best part? You can legally earn money from AI-generated art. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Meet DALL-E 2, one of my favorite AI generators for artwork. Let me quickly walk you through how it works. Simply enter your desired content in the search bar, specifying the art style you want, and DALL-E will generate 4 images for you to choose from. What's even cooler is that you can create various variations of a selected image, giving you multiple options. You can also expand the artwork if needed. For example, if you generate an AI image of a corgi's face but want to show more of the dog, you can use the expander tool to make the image larger. When I started using this, I had 3 key thoughts. Firstly, this technology is powerful and could make people rich by saving on costly art commissions. I was excited about the endless possibilities it offered. Secondly, I wondered who owned the rights to the generated artwork. Would it be me or DALL-E? After reviewing their terms of service, I learned that users are granted full commercial rights, with DALL-E retaining the right to use the artwork for service maintenance, which seemed fair. Lastly, I was curious about the cost of this powerful technology, but to my surprise, it's entirely free. Money-making method number 1. To demonstrate how you can earn money with AI art, let me share 2 examples of individuals selling artwork on Etsy and making profits. Later, I'll show you how you can use DALL-E to create similar or even superior images. Take this store for instance, selling digital art files. Buyers receive image files via email, which they can print at home to create their posters. These digital products are popular on Etsy and generate substantial profits. Using the Etsy research tool Allure, we estimate this store has made around 84,000 euros, over $87,000. Most of this is profit because they sell digital downloads. If you examine their top-selling products, you'll notice a common theme: black and white animal photos with hand-drawn details and colorful accessories against a white background. This style is sought after by customers, particularly for nursery posters. Now, let's see if we can create similar images using DALL-E. Taking the example of a poster featuring a curious cat wearing glasses, I used DALL-E to search for a detailed pencil black and white drawing of a curious cat with light pink glasses on a white background. The results were impressive. These images were just as good as those selling on Etsy, and with DALL-E, we can create a variety of such images. Furthermore, DALL-E can generate photos as well. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Money-making method number 2. Another way to make money with DALL-E is by creating images that you can print on physical products. Consider this Etsy store, which sells historical public domain artwork printed on posters. Allure estimates that this store has made well over 12,000 euros, equivalent to over $300 per day. It's evident that there's substantial earning potential in this field. It's important to note that historical public domain art, such as Japanese ukiyo-e, is highly sought after. DALL-E can generate stunning images in this style, which is otherwise difficult to find. This opens up unique opportunities to create art that caters to niche markets. You can use a print-on-demand platform like Printify to turn these images into physical products and sell them, earning more profit per sale compared to digital products. One limitation to be aware of: is image resolution. DALL-E generates images in small size. To address this, you can use the AI Image Enlarger website to increase the image size without losing quality. They offer both free and paid plans, making it an affordable solution to prepare images for various products. If you want to set up your own Etsy print-on-demand store, I have a video tutorial and a free ebook that can guide you through the process. Additionally, I've included a link to my free ebook, $10,000 a month, in the video description, which explains how to use print-on-demand to earn passive income daily. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!